The hero that is online retailer Amazon strikes again. So I'm unboxing Sacred Saturday Provisions Edition. So there's one thing this time. Monday, 2 June 2025. I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. And I'm going to unpackage an item I ordered on Saturday, 24 May 2025 through online retailer Amazon that arrived on Saturday, 31 May 2025. However, I played a lot and it arrived and I had already finished filming my stuff for the day, and I was like, if I'm recalling correctly, I was like, I had done an unboxing video already, and I'm like, I'll save it. I'm still on like a little bit of like a high of like finishing the game that I've been playing and stuff. And this is to be included as part of my Sacred Saturdays, /as applicable. And this item is like, if there's a uniform for my Sacred Saturdays, it's like a big baggy sweatshirt and like sweatpants. Like, because I had brought up, I was like, you know, if I got married in my Sacred Saturday uniform, it's that's kind of it. Like, it's about being comfortable and being able to relax and stuff. And so I got my current sweatpants are, the seams are fraying and stuff, and so they had it was a men's large, so like they're gonna be like super baggy, but like I had gone for unisex, and I was like looking at the pair I have and they're large, and I was like, I think that's unisex, not men's, so I'm gonna have to like go like this, you know, which still works, I hope. They're not meant for going out in public, and like these are very heavy large. Did I get too large? No, that's it. Well, I have to find out. So tomorrow I'm thinking of, so here they are, the new sweatpants. They're a men's large, which is, it looks quite large. I'm not gonna send them back. I don't like doing returns, so I don't make do. What was my point? I wear them like in the backyard with the squirrels as sun protection, and in the heat, like if it's cold, and then I wear them for Sacred Saturdays. And the seams were coming undone, like the threads and stuff. So tomorrow is my working through these stuff, some of it, and then Saturday working through my game. And I also placed an order yesterday for, so I ordered previously, so the Saturday before, the 24th, so same day I ordered this. I ordered Nancy Drew, the Shattered Medallion, the 2014 game that already arrived. Yesterday I ordered 2014 game Nancy Drew Labyrinth of Lies. I was like, if one doesn't load, maybe the other one will. And so that one's on its way. So there's potentially another unboxing, but then also I'm thinking next Monday, since there's a Sacred Saturday between this video and next Monday, provide updates on everything I showed from these unboxings. Like, did I try these on? What's the verdict? That kind of stuff. But that's my unboxing Sacred Saturday Provisions Edition, Monday, 2 June 2025, which is new sweatpants. And thank you for joining me, Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle.